nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga tumulong sa akin, mga sumuporta sa akin for the past 7 months actually. So ever since I filed my candidacy, I started going to several barangays. So it took me and my team 7 months. So napakasaya, napakahirap. Pero as you can see, people have chosen a new leader. So they expect a new leadership that I will surely deliver for the next 3 years for my constituents.
Sir, anong may expect natin under your leadership?
Yes, number one, we have to address all the issues. Yung linay namin na platform, number one is yung healthcare services namin dito sa Lawag, especially LCGH na napabayaan. Market, we have to address the issues na marumi. So yun. Number three, waste disposal, etc. So and many more. Many more po.
Sir, anong mensahe yung kadati nakalaban nyo akas sa mayor additional Tilawag?
Ang message ko po is wishing him the best. Alam naman niya, we have no rift naman talaga. We never quarreled naman. Alam niya yan. I respected him as the mayor for the past 3 years po. So wala siyang masasabi sa relationship and respect ko sa kanya po. So I wish him all the best po. I keep an open line with our Mayor Michael. Wala namang problema sa akin po.
Sir, in-expect yung kasikat ka at voters yun, sir?
I projected some numbers pero hindi ko inassume na ang voters turnout natin ngayon is 72,000 to 73,000. Kasi last national election is ang bumoto lang dito is 68,000. So that's almost 8 to 9% increment versus last election na po. So nakakagulat talaga. Siguro yung mga constituents natin talaga they want change po.